Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about how to download and install MySQL 8.4.2 long-term support version database, Workbench. Workbench is a GUI tool and sell on Windows 11. So let's get started. For bullet points, I am open Notepad, MySQL, host point, we are installing, we are installing, we are installing MySQL server, workbench and shell. So now we are installing MySQL server, workbench and shell. These three are the three softwares. Consider these three are the three softwares. So second point, LTS. See here, LTS stands for long-term support. So first we can download these three softwares. Open Google or Chrome something. Type MySQL, download. See www.mysql.com, open post link. After that, scroll down, MySQL community GPL downloads. Click here. After, go to MySQL community server. Then see MySQL community server. Now first we are downloading the server. So choose the 8.4.2 long-term support. So I am downloading .msi installer. So no thanks, just start my download. This is for the server. Go back. After that, see Workbench. These are the different parts of MySQL. Now this is the Workbench is a tool, GUI tool. So operating system Windows. So .msi installer is there. Download. Now thanks, just start my download. This is second one. Go back. After that, MySQL shell. So shell version. After that, operating system Windows MySQL installer. Download. I am not downloading zip. I am downloading .msi installer. So main web, I will provide links. So first, these are the home page of downloads. MySQL downloads home page. This is the link. Now, fourth point, MySQL server download link. Home page link. MySQL server download link. So server, this is the server. So I'm copying this one. Server, fifth point, MySQL workbench, MySQL workbench download link. So back workbench, this one workbench link. I will provide these points in description. Sixth point, MySQL shell download link. So scroll back, MySQL shell, Control C. So another point, here consider this is the second point. After that, this is third, fourth, fifth, seventh. So must follow this, must follow this order to install MySQL softwares. So these are the three, right? First we need to install server. After that we need to install workbench. After that must follow this order. Must, without server, workbench will not work. Remember, first server must be installed. After that, your choice, either workbench or shell. I am preferring first I will install server. After that, workbench, next shell. So first must be server installed. Otherwise, workbench will not work. If you are trying to install, it will not work. Remember this point. So let's check Either in downloads are completed. So 3 downloads are completed. Go to the downloads. The 3 are the downloads. Control X. So I am installed after downloading every software. I am moving to D drive and I am created one folder for MySQL. MySQL 8.4, right? So MySQL 8 makes so no spaces between this path directory. So I am pasting here. I am recommended you to do same. You can install every software in D drive, E drive, but don't install any software in C drive. So C drive it will be loaded at the uh, our system starting time. So it may chance to slow performance. So this is the workbench, this is the cell, this is the server. So right click, so install. Next, I accept the terms in the license agreement. Next, select the complete install. It will open on pop-up, say to S. It is copying new files. Wait until this process completion. So finish. It will open on pop-up, say to S. It is one open on pop-up kind of. So next, one wizard, data directory. I said earlier, like everything I will move to D drive. So I am changing this to D drive. Next. So this is the port number. So note down port 8 point MySQL port 3306. Okay, 3306. This is the port while we are connecting to database MySQL. This require, right? So next, so it is asking root. Root is a, yeah, user account. Root is a MySQL admin. So we need to enter password. Username is a default root, but we need to enter password. I am entering password also root. It is the very weak, but if you want, you can add strong password. I am mentioning same root. So you can also, if you want, you can note down. Like if you think you will forget in future, then note down. So user one root. I am giving root. Username password both root. User two. I want to create some more users. This is a admin. Admin root is admin password for that. After I want to create another user, add user. So I am giving my name Shankar. Password also same my name Shankar. Same I am giving. So okay. Shankar, one user added. Same I am adding here. This is the username. This is the password. So I am adding user three. User three I am giving like add user. So FSD. FSD. Full stack development. Our channel name I am mentioning same FSD. FSD. So this is expecting password at least 4 characters. So FSD1, FSD1. Okay. So note down here username FSD, password FSD1. It is a username. It is a password. So right. Next, see MySQL 8.4 is there something. I am not changing anything. Next, here also I am not changing. Next, select the database that you should be created. So it is asking these are the two databases are there. You want to create these or not like that. I'm selecting this. I want these two databases, sample databases. So next, execute. So these are the check marks. One it will be completing. Wait some time. All will be completed. So starting the server, updating example database. The configuration for MySQL server 8.4.2 was successfully. So it is saying click finish to continue. So next finish. So MySQL server is successfully installed. Let's verify MySQL. This is the command front. So pin to taskbar. Pin to taskbar. This is the you can do. After that, MySQL, right? Open. This is the client. Close one. MySQL client open location. So this is the client, right? Right click. Show more options. Send to desktop. Instead of opening this location again and again. So I am sending to here I am sending to desktop. Taskbar also I pinned it here also. So we have three users post root. So connected to root user. If you want to show databases, how many databases available. So so databases. If you want to see how many databases are there, see these are the databases. Sakila and Word we are selected, remaining are default databases. SOS, performance schema, information schema like that. So next point, this is the 10th point. So so databases, it will it will display all databases. It will display all databases. Okay, if you want to create new database, so we have no databases like databases, right? If you want to use any database, use if you want to go inside any database. I want to go to Sakila. So use Sakila semicolon. Database changed. So use database underscore name. It will we can switch switch to database. We can switch to database by using we can switch to database. Next one. So we are now pointing to Sakila database, right? So let's check so database. So these are the database we are pointing to Sakila database. So check either in tables are there. So tables. See, these are the tables in Sakila. So if you want to see tables in any of the database, then use then so tables. So tables by using it will display all tables in specific database. First we are switching to database. We are just first verifying the how many databases are there. After that we are switching to database. Then we are so tables. We are checking how many tables are there in that table. If you want to create any database, then see create. Suppose FST. I want to create one database called FST guide. So see create database name, create database. You have an error in the check manual that corresponding. Enter. See create database name. If you want to create new database, then create database name, database underscore name, database name. By using we can create a new database. I can create a new database. If you want to show again all database, so databases. So see FST guide. So I am closing this server part. I will install now Workbench. Go to here. This is the Workbench. Right click. Show more options. Install. Wait some time. One pop-up will be appear. Next, see it is the install MySQL Workbench. So I want to change to D drive. I will install every software in D drive. Next, so it is giving option. Please select a type, setup type. So I am default only. I am not changing. So I want all program features will be installed. So next, so install. It will open on pop-up. Say to as. Wait some time. This Workbench installation will be completed. Once successfully installation completed, we can log in as a root user and we can check how many schemas are there. So wizard completed. Finish. It is selected. See launch my SQL Workbench now. I'm saying okay launch. So second part installation done. It will appear in the Workbench-GUI tool. This is a GUI tool. This is a server plus command prompt. This is a GUI tool. Click here. You need to enter user is a root, password also root. Okay. Connection warning, local instance. So you can say continue anyway. So now MySQL Workbench wizard like dashboard is there. So here two tabs are administrator schemas. Our create database name. Like so databases. These are the schemas. Switch to this one schemas. FSD guide, Sakila system. If you want to this one, right? If you want to see Sakila tables, these are the tables. If you want to go inside actor, see, we can also move like this also. Actor ID, first name, last updated, some field, some data in there, like that. So I'm closing this also. This is the done. Next, cell. Right click. So more options. Install. Cell is optional if you want to install. Else, just ignore. I'm installing. Accept. Next, change the location to D drive. Next, if you have only C drive, then ignore changing this. Install. It will open one pop-up, say to S. Wait sometime, this installation will be completed. Please wait while the setup wizard install MySQL cell. So some files, some directories copying. Wait sometime, this process will be completed. Updating component registration. So meanwhile, we will also send workbench to my MySQL workbench. I will also pin to taskbar here pin it and I am go to location and I'm sending to desktop. Instead of every time opening, going that location and opening, I am created one shortcut to open. So see in desktop, workbench is there, MySQL command line client is there, CMD is there. So where sometime this process will be completed and this is completed. So now cell installation going on. The launch MySQL cell. So I am finished. See this is the cell. See this is the cell. So in this video we are successfully install MySQL 8.4.2 long-term support version Workbench. Workbench is a GUI tool and cell on Windows 11. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.